We are pleased to show you the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.